happen if the sun were to be replaced by a black hole? Well, for about 8 minutes, we wouldn't notice anything. That's because it takes light and gravitational signals about 8 minutes to get to us from the sun. So we would have a few blissful minutes of not realizing anything had happened. But then everything would go dark. Light can't escape from a black hole, that's kind of their whole thing. So without the sun, we would have no light and no warmth. But what about Earth's orbit? Surely we'd be sucked into a black hole if one showed up so close to us. Well, actually, nothing would really change. Black holes aren't vacuum cleaners. From afar, their gravity works just like any other massive object. So every planet in the solar system, even Mercury, would just continue along the same path. Black holes can be weird and dangerous, but you've got to be pretty close to them, up next to the event horizon. That is the point at which, even if you're moving at the speed of light, you couldn't escape the black hole's gravity. The radius of an event horizon for a black hole the mass of the sun is only 3 kilometers. That's how close you would have to be to the black hole to have no chance of escaping it. Earth is 150 million kilometers from the sun and on a nice, stable orbit. So while we wouldn't survive this because of the cold and dark, Earth would not be pulled into the black hole. And this whole thought experiment isn't ever going to happen because only the biggest stars turn into black holes at the end of their lives, and the sun is not one of those. People can be scared of black holes, but in the grand scheme of things, they pose almost no threat to Earth. As someone who studies them for a living, take my word for it that you have nothing to worry about.